I'm gonna put this in the beginning of the video. As we go, boys, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, please, if you want more Sarah. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. I've got my girlfriend, because you guys have been asking. She's here, hi.
Hi.
This is Sarah. So, she's not used to the camera, nice boys. Also, she has a real person job, so she doesn't, I don't think you've ever shown up, really.
Just in the background, maybe.
Just in the background a little bit. But anyway, real person job. We gotta be respectful in this video, even though I make more money than her. Now, what we're doing today, boys, we're just gonna get right into it. Do I have to introduce anything else with you? Do you want your Instagram plugged or what?
No, it's okay.
I've been dating for a long time, boys. It's the one that freaking runs me pretty much in terms of making sure I don't do anything stupid anymore. So,
Can I open it?
yeah, so what we have here, boys, is a company called Mischief hit us up. I think it's Mischief. Is that what that kind of looks like? Mischief? Yeah, they hit me up. They're verified on Instagram, boys. It's real cool. I'm putting that in because I might put it in the title. What they do is they sell packs of cards, and I guess they saw I'm into basketball cards and stuff. And these sell for a pretty penny online. So they sent us a bunch of these packs that apparently have like gift cards and stuff in them. And like you can like get some real money out of this, and even if it's not a gift card, they have things reselling on eBay that comes in these packs. It seems like a super weird thing. I don't really know what I'm unboxing, boys, but they said we want to send you cards, and I was like, absolutely, let's do it. So, oh, they got them real packaged now, so you gotta show the boys. Yeah, that's nice. So we got like 6 in here. If I was smart, I wouldn't make this video and I'd just sell this on eBay. We can't be doing that. Here, do you want a knife?
No.
Alright. So, I don't know what's in there. Apparently, I've watched a couple videos on this, or just one video, I think. They're weird packs. They're called boosted packs. I'll probably have a link down below for them or something. Actually, they're already sold out. So, they're on eBay. They're reselling. And what they have, like I said, is just a bunch of weird stuff in it. And possibly gift cards. Real money items. Or things you can sell on eBay. I guess things are more rare than others. These are also first edition, which is why they're selling more. So, you want to open the first one? As you open, just show the card to the boys and just...
You don't want to get a thumbnail with them?
Oh yeah, we're not. Yeah, maybe. Alright, do this. Act all cute and shit. Alright, that'll be good. Is that good? Alright, so yeah, boys. We're probably just gonna one-take this video as Sarah doesn't really know how to act on camera, probably.
Yeah, I'm gonna embarrass myself and then we gotta go for lunch.
Yeah, we gotta go out for lunch in a second, too. Alright, boys, so we're getting on to the first pack right here. So just grab scissors real quick. You gotta be real careful, because, like I said, it could be worth some money. I'm gonna try to put up on the screen if there's any eBay sells, like, on any of these cards. I'm gonna try to put up on how much they're worth, but it's gonna be hard, I think. I don't know how big this is, but it seems cool. Alright, so what you do from here, do that. You gotta be real careful. Oh, these are tick. These are ticks. So first thing we have, boys, I'm gonna do this one first, and I'll show you how you gotta do the next one, okay?
Okay.
So boosted pack. Then we have a Mischief rewards card. What does that mean? You're gonna make money? No, it's just a Mischief. See, it's just a bunch of crap, it seems like. But we're looking for things that can sell online. So, rewards card. Redeemable at any Mischief's pharmacy. Okay, so that's fake. There's a lot of fake stuff in here that we don't. George Lewis. Social Security, also fake. There's certain things that could sell, boys. I saw some Obama cards sell on eBay or something for a lot. And then this is thick. The hell is that?
It's a ruler.
It's a ruler. It's a bottle opener. You gotta show it real close for them. What the hell are people spending money on this for? Sorry, Mischief.
Oh, it has a screwdriver, a can opener, a bottle opener, a letter opener.
We shall use that. We're gonna
a box opener.
What
and
the
a
hell?
Screwdriver.
That's kind of cool, actually. Okay, so far that's the win of the box, I guess. This is weird, bro.
Oh, and a cell phone stand.
Nice.
I don't know how it
I
works.
don't know how that works. That sounds like cap to me. Cell phone stand says right here.
It says insert card, so you gotta put a card in it. I don't know.
Oh, I guess so. And then, yeah, it stands up your cell phone. Weird, stupid. We got a... Sorry, Miss. God. They're not sponsoring this video, boys. Like, they just sent this for free. I'm like, this sounds so fun. I'll just do it for free, which I never do. We have a Subway Club card for Lilach Milbim.
Weird name.
Right there. Weird.
Are we gonna go through all these packs like this?
Yeah, we are.
It's gonna take an hour.
Alright, let's keep going. Okay, so that first one was crap. I guess we got a cell phone holder and a goddamn beer opener, which Honestly, I'm more stoked about the beer. You go one, I'll go one.
Okay.
We're trying to look for money, boys. We're trying to make some cash here.
In loving memory of Steve Jobs.
That one might be some. With the Steve Jobs stuff, no Obama stuff from what I've seen.
We'll
we gotta put it somewhere there. That stuff, I should mag it, but I got the Fool. I don't know what the hell that means.
Oh, that's what are those cards that our neighbor reads? Tarot cards.
Oh, it's a tarot card.
An ID about Tyler Schultz.
Keep that one, that might be cool.
I don't know who that is.
No idea.
This is...
I got an Oracle.
I got a university card for Elon Musk's son.
Oh, you gotta keep that one.
With face tats, look, it's kind of funny.
He's got face tats on it, bro, so you gotta show the screen share when you do it, but you're killing it so far.
Oh! An Olive Garden gift card!
Let's go! That's the money we're looking for! How much?
I don't know, it doesn't say.
Oh,
I'll
put it on the screen, boys. It will be real. It will be real. And then a picture of a baby.
I don't know who this is.
That's freaking weird. Alright, we found out the gift card balance to this. You ready, Sarah?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
$10 whole. That'll buy us a couple free breadsticks and like
we can get one soup salad and unlimited breadsticks.
If these resell, then I'm happy. If they don't, we're all effed.
Fun to unbox. I wish they sent us like 50.
Yeah, I should ask for 50. I also got a George Lewis Social Security. I got a Bob Bingo University card. Oh, I got the Jesus shoe. I'm pretty sure I saw that on eBay.
Oh, it looks like a tarot card as well.
Yeah, but it's the Jesus shoe.
These are fun.
Stuff. They're kind of fun.
A AAA road service card.
You guys leave a comment down below. I totally forgot to ask you guys. I'm gonna put this in the beginning of the video. As we go, boys, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, please, if you want more Sarah. Yeah, keep that one. It says Elon Musk. It must be cool. A Tina card. You gotta show them.
Oh, I don't really know what that is.
Oh, look it! We got another beer stand, but this one's a little bit thicker.
And it's yellow.
Boating safety certificate, and we have another picture of a child.
Jeez, that's creepy.
COVID-19.
More Jesus shoes.
No, this is like they sent this for free, so we have to be kind of nice. Mischief, this is kind of weird, bro. But it's kind of fun. COVID-19 vaccination record card.
Sweet.
Okay, so we have one more, Sarah. We just blew through these.
Aww.
Yeah, we have one more. It's yours.
Yay.
We love Olive Garden, bro.
I love Olive Garden. We're going on a hot date to Olive Garden.
The breadsticks are to die for.
Subway customer card. Looks like we're just about at a free sub.
Oh, nice. But we're not, though.
Another Elon Musk son. And then another Elon Musk Atina card.
So those can't be rare. So let's look at the rarities here of what we found. We got Tyler Schultz from Theranos. I don't know what that is. That could be worth something. Who knows? These things, once again, I think the Jesus shoe, I'm pretty sure I saw sold on eBay. That one might be cool. I'm gonna mag that up. We actually have two. Oh no, that's the Jesus shoe. That's just Jesus.
No, that's
Steve that's Steve Jobs.
We have another Jesus
in Jesus form.
We have another one somewhere.
So they're not that rare? I don't know.
Oh yeah, trade here.
And then I have a random driver's license that I'm gonna use whenever I go anywhere and to a bar. I'm gonna hand them this, and I think that would be pretty funny. It says Hawaii.
It should say McLovin.
I'm totally gonna hand somebody this. Anyway, that's what it is. Mischief, thank you so much. I know I bashed it a little bit, but it's weird. You can't deny it. It's kind of weird.
I like Bob Bingo. It's a funny name.
Bob Bingo. Anyway, thank you for coming on. Do you want to say anything? Did she kill it a little bit? She killed it a little bit. Boys, leave a thumbs up down below. You did kill a little bit. Good job.
Thanks.
Love you to death. Thank you boys so much for watching. Instagram plug? Come on now.
Go ahead.
Alright, her Instagram plug, I'll forget to do it. Sarah Dougie, SarahDougy. On Instagram. Bye. Thank you, Mischief. This was weird. Olive Garden. You going there today? Oh, Olive Garden or...
No, but none of those are in Canada, babe.
Oh,
like, literally, I haven't heard of any of those.
Yeah, I haven't either. It's Longhorn, Yard House, Cheddar's, Bahama Breeze.
That's a steakhouse, not Yard House. Oh.
And something else. Yeah, all we have in Canada is that.
No.
No, that. Anyway, okay. Thanks. Bye.